In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a super easy way you could start making money from affiliate marketing as a total beginner. And the best part of it is you don't need to show your face or have any kind of fancy website in order to start making money. All you just need right now is your phone, and this method is going to only take 5 minutes of your time to do. So right now, let's drive into the video. Hey there, it's Ola here from Ola Ozu TV, where I talk about making money online, opportunities, passive income, and online business. So if you know you want to learn more about this thing, make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel right now so you won't miss any of my future videos. And also all the stuff I'm going to be mentioning right here in this video, the links are going to be down in the description. So right now, let's drive into the video. So the first thing you need to do right now is to head over to sharestory.com. If you don't have an account, just sign up. It's free to create an account, and once you're already logged into your account, just head over to the marketplace, where you could literally click on that by clicking on the search for merchant right here, and you're gonna go over to the category section right here. So once you're on the category section, you're gonna find different kind of offers you could literally promote right now. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be focusing on the marketing categories. What I'm going to be doing right here is I'm going to be looking for the product with high commission and high converting rate. And also one thing I would advise you look out for once you are picking a product on this platform, I want you guys to look for a product that's going to pay you per lead. So in case if someone signs up using your affiliate links and the person do not literally buy the product immediately, you're still going to get paid. If later in the future the person desires to upgrade his or her account, you're still going to get paid. So you could literally do this for any kind of niche or any kind of product you want to promote on this website. Once you're done finding a good affiliate product you would like to promote, all you just need right now is to click on this join program. Right, they're gonna ask you what way you like to promote their product. So you could literally tell them that you would like to promote their product on your YouTube channel, or you could tell them you would like to promote their product on your Instagram page. So you could literally write something very convincing and catchy. So it's not necessary you have a YouTube channel or Instagram page. So the reason I told you to write this is just to let them to approve you, and so you'll be able to promote their product. I hope you get the point. And also keep in mind, not all the program you join are going to be approving you immediately. Some are going to reject you. Just make sure you apply to as many affiliate program as you can. So if you could apply for like 10 program right here on this website, so out of the 10 program you apply for, at least 5 of them are going to approve you. So once they approve you, all you need is to copy your affiliate links right now and start promoting. So now that you have gotten your affiliate link, so the first thing you need to do is to head over to YouTube and type in something like marketing or hashtag marketing. So you could literally type in the kind of product or the kind of niche you are promoting on YouTube. So if you are promoting a weight loss product, you could type in weight loss. If you are promoting a make money online product, you could type in make money online. So you can literally do this for any kind of niche you are. And then you guys might be thinking, oh, are we going to be creating videos? No, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you could literally get these videos without not necessarily creating the videos yourself. So if you know you want to know that, make sure you stick around to watch the video to the end. Once you're on YouTube, basically just click on the menu right here and click on the filter option. Then you go over to the creatives common right here. So you're gonna see different kind of videos in your niche that you could use legally without any kind of copyright strike. And don't worry, I'm gonna be teaching you what I'm gonna do with the video. You could just go through this video and check the one you like. So if you see the one you like, all you need right now is to copy the link to the video right now and head over to shortnopper.com. Then you could literally download this video on your mobile device. So once you're done downloading the video on your device, all you need right now is to head over to canva.com and make an account for yourself. You know you need to. So once you're already logged into Canva right now, all you need to is to go over to the video section right here. So you're gonna be importing the video you just downloaded on YouTube. And guys, don't just download the video then upload the video back. Don't worry, I'm gonna be teaching you where you could literally gonna upload this video and you're gonna start making sales as an affiliate marketer. So right now, once you're on Canva, all you need right now is to add in some text right now to make the video your own, so you're not gonna get any kind of copyright strike. So just literally drag and drop this template right now. Then you need to add in some call to action right here. So I'm going to be adding something like learn how to convert your website traffic and monetize your blog without losing any customer. So I could literally add in like something like learn more, link in my bio. So once I'm done creating this, I'm going to be downloading this video right here straight to my device. So once you're done downloading the video on your device, all you need to do is to head over to instagram.com and follow people in your industry. That is the kind of niche you are. So for me, I'm going to be typing marketing or how to get sales. So it's going to bring out different kind of people in your industry. So you could literally follow this account one after the other and copy what is in their bio and make it your own. Then put your special link in your bio, which is your affiliate link. Copy what these people write in their video video description. Also put it in your video description and then start putting out one videos, one pictures every single day. Don't worry if you don't have a lot of followers at first, keep doing and you will get more views and clicks. If you keep at it, you might even get famous on Instagram and start making a lot of money for yourself. You could literally check out the link in the description for more training on affiliate marketing. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you could feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'm gonna be replying to all your questions. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case you find the video helpful. Just keep in mind that nothing comes easy. You need to start grinding hard on Instagram, so you need to literally repeat this process all over and over again for you to start getting results. So don't just create one videos and then think you're gonna start making sales. It's never gonna work. But if you're consistent, I could literally guarantee you're gonna start getting views, and once you start getting views, you're gonna start getting clicks. And guys, once you start getting clicks, people are gonna clicking on your affiliate links and buy the kind of products you're promoting. And guys, if you could get one of your videos to get like 20,000 views, I could guarantee you out of these 20,000 views, at least 10% or even 1% of these views are gonna buy whatever you're promoting. And this is a great way you could literally start affiliate marketing as a beginner for literally free. So the key to the method I just shared with you in this video is consistency. So if you could be consistent in whatever things you're gonna be doing right here using this method, I would guarantee you you're gonna be successful as an affiliate marketer. Like I said, if you're also getting any value from the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video right now, so that YouTube is gonna push this video to more people that may need this video. So you could literally click on the video right now to also learn more ways you could use to promote your affiliate links.